what a beautiful day it is. I finally got Toy Story, the special edition DVD. Now I can finally watch it. Don't watch it. What? Ooh, what me this time? Just don't watch it. It has a scary Disney DVD logo on it. Scary, trust me. Oh my gosh. It's a Ghost in the Real Good TV remote. And you'll tell me there's a scary Disney DVD logo on that? Just watch it and see what it's about. Okay then. I'm gonna go look. No Disney DVD logo at the back. Let me look at this button. I just put the DVD on now. Just watch it. Fine. Things I got to do. Around here. Fine. Why was it? Why would make people just do this to me like that? I'm gonna get remote. Alright. And I'm gonna wait for a language selection. I probably don't know what's a wing. Which one should I choose? Oh wait, there's a Disney logo. Alright, now I'm gonna skip the previews because I don't want this to show main menu. What? Oh. There we go. And now, what at the DVD menu? Now I'm gonna select play. Oh wait, let's see how scary this logo really is. What's the noise? Oh no, not this logo. No. Don't go in there, take a bell. No. Ah! I told you not to watch it.